Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the speed of SSD versus HDD. And my laptop is 10 years old. I will put the specification on the screen. So firstly I will show you the boot time and I will open some browser and note down the reading. This is before the SSD. I'm gonna speed up to save the time. One thing you have to remember before taking out the hard disk, make sure you have a bootable pen drive or bootable CD drive so you can install a fresh window on SSD. So this is the SSD. This SSD is 128 GB 2.5 inch. I got this SSD from Amazon at 15.99 euros. You can also buy this from Amazon. I will put link in the description. Okay, turn your laptop. There you will see one screw. You don't have to open the whole screws, just one screw. There you will see they have like RAMs and here hard disk drive. You have to open the hard disk drive. This hard disk drive have a 3 screws. So I have taken out the hard disk drive. So as you can see from here, the SSD is more lighter than the hard disk drive. The hard disk drive is a bit heavier. My hard disk drive is of 1 TB. Now we are inserting the SSD back. So here we need to put the 3 screws back which we have taken from the hard disk drive so that we don't accidentally get removed. So here are the values we got. Here from the values we can see that SSD takes less than half the times of HDD. So it's better to use SSD instead of using HDD. So the Windows is installed. So here I'm installing some few softwares like Brave browser, which I have installed before to check the speed. So we have got the values before and after. As you can see from here, like the SSD takes less than half times of HDD, so it's better to use SSD if you really want performance. I'm not throwing my HDD, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace my HDD with my CD-ROM drive. I can also make a video on it. If you want, you can comment. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.